Well, it's that time of year. How many year is that? It's the time of year that water starts to freeze. And if you know anything about water, when it freezes, it expands. When it expands, stuff breaks. So I have to winterize everything. And the Mudmixer is no exception. You run water through it, you got to get that water out. But I'm going to take it to the next step. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the shear pin. It's located right back here. It's right at the back of your auger. You look back in there, there's a little clip. Pull that clip, pull that pin out, and your auger just pops off the end. Of course, it just pops right off. You may have to twist it and do some stuff with it. Anyway, I'm going to pull the auger out. I'm going to blow the water out of the system. I'm going to take your cleanup hose off. I'm going to hook, because we do so much winterizing here, and if you're watching this video, you understand winterizing. I made up an adapter, and I'll put it on here, and I'll hook my hose up to it. I was just using my needle scaler, because some concrete got left in the chute here. My fault. So I had to turn my pressure back down to 50, because I had it, well, the gun says 90, and let's just say I went a little bit more than 90. So anyway, I'm going to hook this up. I'm going to run the equipment. I'm going to run the Mudmixer, and that way it'll blow all the water and everything out of all the lines. Once I get all the water out of all the lines, I'm going to blow the equipment, take an air hose, blow the chute out, make sure there's no debris in. I'm going to let it dry. Then I'm going to come back in, and I'm going to give everything a healthy coat of fluid film. Not a sponsor, but if you own one of these, you'll notice down in the chute that concrete, and it's gonna wear through anything. Powder coat, paint, it'll wear through it. So there's some exposed metal in here. I'm going to hit it with some fluid film, and that's about it. So pull the auger, disconnect the cleanup hose, hook up air pressure to it, run the system, blow it out, dry it, and then spray it with fluid film. Okay, let's get to work. It is literally a 10-minute job. Having said that, I also found some concrete in here earlier. So I got another video on that, on cleaning concrete using a needle scaler with this. So anyway, it's a 10-minute job. But believe me, it makes all the difference in the world. Next time you go to use it, your solenoid's not going to be blown out. Your hoses aren't going to be blown out. Your nozzles aren't going to be split. I mean, there's water when it freezes just destroys stuff. That and that coat of fluid film that I put on all the bare metal and the chute, in my opinion, that's just as important for the longevity of the piece of equipment as getting this water out. I mean, let's face it, these things aren't cheap and you want to make them last. So did I do a perfect job? Nope, but I sure made progress. So thanks for watching.